Sarachandrabhrantim Spuratamalakantim Gajakatim Haribrahmamatam Drita Paramasatvam Smitamukam Sadagunam Netram Karakalita Bhetram Kalibhidam Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarutam Dam Nirabhadim Rasanamagaram Swajanagana Sarvasvamatulam Tadiyaika Prana Pratima Vasudha Jhanavapatim Sada Premamadam Paramavititam Mandamanasam Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Shachisunu Preshtham Nikhila Jagaristam Sukhamayam Kalomajajjivo Dharana Karano Dhama Karuna Hariragyanatma Bhava Jaladhi Gavonatihara Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Bratarninam Kalikalushinam Kinnu Bhabita Tatha Prajaschitam Rachayayar Anaya Shataime Rajantitam Itham Shaha Bhagavata Mantrayatiyo Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Yatishtam Reprada Guru Hari Hari Dhanna Manisham Tato Vasamsaram Buddhitaranadayam Mailaget Idam Bahuspudar Atatiratayam Yat Pratikriha Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Balat Samsarambho Nidhiharana Kundbodh Bhavam Aho Satam Shreya Sindhu Nati Kumuda Bandhum Samudita Kalashena Spudyati Mirahara Surya Prabham Aham Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Natam Tanga Jantam Harinanubadam Tam Bhatipati Prajantam Prashantam Samapivadayantam Janagana Prakurvatam Santam Sakarunadrigam Tam Prakalana Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Subhibranam Bratu Sarasiram Komalataram Mito Bhaktra Loko Chalita Paramananda Hridayam Brahmantar Madhuryair Ahahamadayam Tambura Janan Bhajanityanandam Bhajanatarukam Dam Nirabhadim Rasana Madharam Rasika Varasat Vaishnavadhanam Rasagara Saram Patita Tatidaram Smaranata Paramnityananda Stakamidam Apurvam Vadadiyas Taranglitab Abjam Spuratulitaram Tasya Kritaya